What currency is Coinbase Wallet? Ever wondered that? It's a question that's popped up in many crypto conversations, and it's a valid one. But before we dive into the answer, let's take a moment to understand what Coinbase Wallet actually is and why this question arises. Coinbase Wallet, a brief overview. Coinbase Wallet is a non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet that gives you complete control over your funds. Unlike traditional banks, Coinbase Wallet doesn't hold your crypto. Instead, it provides you with a secure way to store and manage your digital assets. This means you're the sole custodian of your private keys, which are essential for accessing your crypto. The question of currency. Now, back to the question at hand, what currency is Coinbase Wallet? The short answer is, Coinbase Wallet doesn't have a specific currency. It's not a bank account that holds traditional fiat currency like dollars or euros. Instead, it's a digital wallet designed to store and manage various cryptocurrencies. Understanding cryptocurrencies. To fully grasp why Coinbase Wallet doesn't have a specific currency, let's delve into the world of cryptocurrencies. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies are decentralized digital assets that operate on blockchain technology. This means they're not issued or backed by a central authority like a government. Instead, they're created and managed through a network of computers. The multi-currency nature of Coinbase Wallet. Because cryptocurrencies are decentralized and exist on different blockchains, Coinbase Wallet is designed to be compatible with a wide range of them. This means you can store and manage various cryptocurrencies within the same wallet. Some popular cryptocurrencies supported by Coinbase Wallet include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and numerous ERC-20 tokens. The importance of understanding different blockchains. Each cryptocurrency operates on its own blockchain, which is essentially a digital ledger that records all transactions. Understanding the differences between these blockchains is crucial when using Coinbase Wallet. For example, Bitcoin and Ethereum have different blockchains and require different transaction fees. How Coinbase Wallet handles different currencies. When you add a cryptocurrency to your Coinbase Wallet, you're essentially creating a separate address on that specific blockchain. This address is unique and serves as your digital wallet for that particular cryptocurrency. When you send or receive funds, they're transferred directly to or from this address. The role of private keys. As mentioned earlier, Coinbase Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you have complete control over your private keys. These private keys are essentially codes that grant you access to your crypto. It's crucial to keep your private keys secure, as anyone who has access to them can control your funds. The benefits of using Coinbase Wallet. Using a non-custodial wallet like Coinbase Wallet offers several benefits. Security. You have full control over your private keys, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Flexibility. You can store and manage various cryptocurrencies within the same wallet. Privacy. Your transactions are not tied to your personal identity, providing a degree of anonymity. Accessibility. Coinbase Wallet is available on both mobile and desktop devices, making it easy to access your funds. So, to answer the original question, what currency is Coinbase Wallet? Coinbase Wallet doesn't have a specific currency. It's a versatile tool designed to store and manage various cryptocurrencies. By understanding the nature of cryptocurrencies and the role of blockchains, you can effectively use Coinbase Wallet to secure and manage your digital assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.